Come and go with me. I am taking you over to VB, Via Brazil Steakhouse. This is located in North Arlington, very close by Six Flags. So this is where we went for Thanksgiving, but I want to show you a great option for a Brazilian steakhouse. And here you see they were already decorated for the holidays. So I thought this was very cute. Here's a look at the decor. This is the bar area, but this is a very nice, elegant, refined restaurant with just a hint of luxury. And I love the beautiful colors. So here's a look around. Now let's go in and see what it's all about. And even on Thanksgiving Day, it wasn't packed and crowded, which I really appreciate. We'll start off with the buffet. This buffet is full of some of your very best favorites, and they're fresh. That's what we love. Fresh selections, and you constantly see them filling them up and adding new serving spoons so that you don't have to worry about that nonsense. But some really good items to choose from. Just take a look. And as we continue on, because it is Thanksgiving, they have a whole separate section over on the side here I'm going to show you, and that is all the Thanksgiving fixings. All the stuff you would think of for Thanksgiving, right over here. Turkey, ham, dressing, mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes. It's all here and included as well. Here's a look at the table settings and some of the beautiful people that I got to bring with me. On your table, they give you this delicious bread, and it's soft and moist and filled with this yummy cheese in the middle. I had to take a bite and show you. I don't know if you can see, there's a little cheese pull there. Delicious. Now, here is my transform plate, and I added all of those Thanksgiving fixings and a little salad. It was delicious. And also on the table, they give you this like mashed potato and plantain to like cleanse your palate, because the star of the show is on the way. It is those cuts of meat. They come, and if I'm not mistaken, there are 28 different cuts of meat that they bring you, from spicy to mild, and they bring it to your table and you let them know what way you want it. This is a great option. Come check out Via de Brazil.